Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is gonna be my first ever YouTube video I'm gonna be recording, and this was kind of rough for me, but then here I am starting my YouTube channel. So today we are gonna be unboxing a special item. I ordered something from eBay, and so let's unbox it. So I ordered this thing off eBay. It was like 3 or 4 weeks ago, I'm not sure. But then it took me time to choose which item I was gonna choose from the eBay listings I had added to my cart. Then I saw this option which was kind of better. So let's see what I got. So I think this is gonna be the charger. Now let's put this aside and go to the Mac. Let's put the box aside. This will use it later, I guess. Okay. Wrapped in bubble wrap, not bad. So let's cut this open. When I ordered this item, I was told it would take some few days. Ooh, we have a sticker. I think this was to keep out the scratches, I guess. Oh, and we have a small dent on the corner there. And another dent and some other scratches. And we have the original bottom case, and we have all the 4 feet. Not bad. The antenna is okay, no scratches, appearing to be normal. Let's open up and see if he boots up. As we can see, we have a recommendation letter and laptop's password. Thank you. I purchased this item from Meepo-Tek. They're a good source in selling laptops and electronics. You should go try them out. They're on eBay. And I was given a thank you and another card. We appreciate doing business with you. Touche. Negotiable. 5 stars. Thank you. We'll review that later. So let's go and open the Mac. We have the boot chime. It's normal. Oh, he's booted up. Now let's see if he has installed macOS. I'm guessing he has macOS Mojave or High Sierra. I'm not sure. For now, when he opens up, I'm going to continue. He has macOS Catalina. Not bad. So let's open him up. We saw on the recommendation letter, the paper is, the password is laptop's password 123. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, let's open him up. Let's go and open up the specs. The mouse settings are so bad. The trackpad needs some setting upgrades. Let's go on and open up about my Mac. As you can see here, we have macOS Catalina installed version 10.15.7. I think that's the current update version, if I'm not wrong. And then we have 13-inch mid 2012. Okay. Processor speed is 2.5 GHz. It has a dual-core Intel Core i5. Memory slots, we have 2 slots, which is 8 GB RAM, 4 GB on one side and 4 GB on the other side. It has the 1600 MHz type of memory slots. DDR3. I think those are the types of RAM. Graphics card, it has an Intel HDR, it's HD graphics 4000, 1536 MB, not bad. Let's go to the system report. As we can, let me zoom up the screen a bit. As you can see here, its identifier is 9.2, dual core, yeah. Number of processors, it has 1 processor. Yeah. As you can see, now we are in the system preferences tab. So let's go on and change the trackpad settings. That's a must. Tap to click. Okay, trackpad speed, that's a must. I'm gonna put it one before the other. I'm going to add the speed to 8 more paces. I think that's gonna be okay. Scroll and zoom pads are okay. I'm gonna add that. So I guess now the trackpad is back to normal. So let's go back to the system preferences. Let's go to general and set it to auto. Auto means if it goes with the time of the day and the night. System day night preferences. If it's still dark, the macOS version is gonna be on dark mode as the theme. So I'm gonna leave the accent color to blue. Let's go check if we have any software updates. Unable to check for updates. Oh yeah, we haven't connected to our Wi-Fi. Let's go connect to our Wi-Fi.
2,000 years later.
So let's go to the accessories we got. Let's see if we have the original Apple charger. We have our shipping invoice here. I'm gonna keep that away for now. And then we have our charger wrapped in a foil case. Let's lock the box and keep him away. Condition. We have less dents and we have an Apple sticker at the back. I guess this is a third-party made sticker. It kind of roughens the back a bit. And as you can see, we have the US keyboard type. And in this version, we have the USB-A ports. We have two USB-A ports. We have Thunderbolt. We have the Ethernet port and the MagSafe charger. And we have the earphone ports and the SD card slot. And on this other side, we have the CD, DVD, ROM entrance place and a little hole here. I guess this is for air inlet. And on the bottom, we have the 10 screws and the 4 feet. And we have a little dent here. That's gonna need a replacement on the bottom case. So as we can see, guys, we have a decent Mac for an affordable price. So I'm gonna leave my eBay listing price and link in the description so you guys can see what I ordered and all the details. See you guys later. Please leave a like and a subscribe on this video. To get notified on other videos, please press the bell notification to get notified. And I'll see you guys on my next video.